Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Metallicus, the Metallicus vision. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an attractive $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of XPR and Metal at the time of the recording, and let's see what they have been up to lately. So guys, as far as XPR is concerned, the price has increased 2.73% for the day. Guys, Metal is up 3.04%. Not much over here, guys. Still $6.62 million market cap, $20.3 million market cap. So nothing has changed much. So let's see what's happening with Metallicus ecosystem. I found a really interesting post over here, a pinned post, which basically is the statement that Marshall Hayner has made for the investors, partners, and friends. Guys, look at this. Let's check this out. A Twitter thread from Metallicus founder Marshall Hayner on the Q2 report. Dear investors, partners, and friends, Q2 was an exceptional period for advancing the Metallicus vision. So let's see what he has to say. Okay, so we made significant strides across various products that contribute to our mission of building the world's most customer-centric digital asset banking network. Guys, for those of you who have followed the channel and know about XPR, Metal Chain, and the Metallicus ecosystem, they wanted to basically build an ecosystem which does not rely on external products. Basically, they wanted to build their own product, their own layer 0, layer 1, and everything, DeFi. And at the same time, they wanted to be the most customer-friendly digital asset, which is basically contributing to the advancement of banks and basically beneficial as a banking network and a network which is compliant, regulated, and basically solves the issues of both retail and these industry players, institutions. So different products are being made in that regard, like Metal blockchain, XPR, the A chain of that network, DeFi, MetalX, etc. guys. Number 3, our banking innovation program continues to attract strong interest from financial institutions in the US and internationally, onboarding our first Canadian institution. So they're involving various institutions. We're excited to announce progress on the development front, onboarding individual credit unions onto their private subnets on the Metal blockchain testnet. Furthermore, guys, we're connecting these credit unions to the digital banking network, moving closer to deploying use cases that enhance existing banking infrastructure. Cool. These use cases will offer faster payments, reduce costs, and increase security using blockchain technology. Our expert Metal Client Services team, Metal Helps Me, is here to assist. Guys, any business, institution, or a bank, anyone, guys, even an individual, we all want faster payment, reducing costs, and increasing security and traceability, basically, guys. And a business can save a lot if the costs are reduced, guys, the transaction costs, if the middlemen are cut. We all want that, basically, guys. So let's hope that blockchain can provide us that, and Metallicus ecosystem can provide us that. So yeah. We're making great progress in DeFi and Web3 with Metal Layer 2 after a successful airdrop and MTL upgrade. We're expanding the Metal Layer 2 ecosystem. Metal DAO proposals have set the stage for VELO, a leading DEX on the Optimism superchain, to launch on Metal Layer 2, followed by Ionic Money. Guys, Velodrome is also building a community. This is not the Velo that we cover often, but it is building a community. I've seen it on X. As we launch these apps, we're intensifying developer community building, introducing native DAO voting to Metal Layer 2, and offering significant grants. With MetalPay's Me, we continue to expand globally, launching in Australia, New Zealand, and Hawaii, showcasing our ability to navigate regulatory landscapes. We're excited to announce MetalPay Connect, our B2B fiat on-ramp. B2B stands for business to business, by the way, fiat on-ramp offering. It is close to launch with several clients already joining as preferential partners. Awesome. Integrating MetalPay as a fiat on-ramp into other apps alongside custom identity solutions shows promise for increasing revenue and onboarding in customers. Guys, the identity solution is one of the most complex sphere that has kept blockchain or crypto mass adoption, blockchain mass adoption, guys. It has been a barrier in the mass adoption, basically, guys. The reason is that the retail or the individuals that are involved with blockchain, they want privacy, they want anonymity. Meanwhile, the businesses and institutions, they want to know about who are they dealing with in business side of stuff. So basically, the identity on-chain identity solutions come along which basically assures both institutions and the private and the individuals that your privacy won't be compromised. Number one. Number two, they've got this mechanism that you can provide data without it being disclosed to which will be on chain. Everyone will know that you're of certain age, but it won't get disclosed. But the institutions will know that certain individual meets the required eligibility criteria, age, and whatever their requirements are. Looking ahead, our roadmap promises seamless interoperability between Metal blockchain and Metal Layer 2, connecting financial institutions to Web3. This connection will make it easier for customers on the digital banking network to access apps in a safe, affordable, and compliant manner. Compliance is the keyword, guys, over here. Every project is looking for compliance because we've seen so many projects not being compliant and regulated, and that has cost a lot. Our engineering team is leading the industry as the migration project to move XPR Network to Metal blockchain makes significant progress. Guys, I really want to see the future in this, that what happens to XPR Network, although we know that it is the A chain on the Metal blockchain, but what happens to the token and all of that stuff? What do they do to the investors that are currently invested in the XPR network? Would they migrate and give 1:1 funds to those people back when it migrates? So it is yet to be seen. Anyways, this migration offers more options for institutions, including Bitcoin virtualization on Metal blockchain, a project we're passionate about. Our success is gaining recognition from top media. Guys, now this is something that keeps me attracted. I know a lot of red flags as well when it comes to this ecosystem. I've seen stuff about it. I mean, red flags like skeptics and calling it malicious activities or increasing supply, a lot of stuff that think it tickles your brain that what's wrong. But guys, look at this, that recently Irina Burkhan, the CFO, was invited to speak live in studio on Nasdaq Trade Talks. Guys, if Nasdaq is rubbing shoulders with them, and then we do not know what research can we do aside from this, because these are top institutions and financial giants, guys. I really do not see them rubbing shoulders with these people if they didn't have any potential or they were just simply scamming people. So it is possible. We've seen a lot of projects being associated with huge names do that, but guys, if The best case scenario is when you research in a project or invest in a project, you want them partnering with great institutions. So this is checklisted over here. It doesn't get bigger than NASDAQ, so who's to say? Marking Metallicus' second appearance, by the way, not only one, second appearance, guys. We secured further coverage of the Banking Innovation Program in a second American Banker article featuring one AZCU. Okay, cool. The rest of the year will be a whirlwind as we onboard partners to the digital banking network and position our digital asset products for growth. Basically marketing and basically positioning them for growth. Let's hope that happens. We're focused on being a platform for institutions, developers, and individuals to upgrade how they use their money in daily life. Thank you for your support. So guys, what do you guys think about Metallicus ecosystem, XPR, Metal blockchain, and this entire ecosystem? Do you believe in the Metallicus vision, or do you see it as something that isn't bound for success? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.